Daisy's ducks, and the little ones are out in the sun. Oh, it's nice. Did put them in the pond. A little bit too cold for this lot. They're very girly, this lot. They're very small. But video stars, as you can see, performing, shaking their butts. They love being on the camera, this lot. And they're just out. First time. They are, what, 3 days old, if that? They are quite funny. I know, look, camera. So we've got these, and then the size difference to these. In front is Tiki, they're looking at something in the sky, and in the corner is Rainbow. And they have got rather big now. They won't be long before they're going up the field with the rest of them. Now these guys, I will be doing next week hopefully some video and then of all the other sponsored ducks. I've obviously been very busy with these guys hatching and things, but they're all done now. And that's it for this season. Not quite sure what colours these are going to be. Looks like a motley crew, and the one that had the bent neck is doing really, really well, and I think it's going to be okay once it builds up its muscles the other side of its neck. It's picked up lovely. I was really worried about it. I thought it might have a neurological problem, but that's one looking at you straight in front, and it's doing really, really well. So I'm really, really pleased. We think that one's a boy. The light coloured one's definitely a girl, and one of the dark ones is a girl, but we haven't checked the other one yet. And they are quite cute. I'm sorry about the wire, but I don't want them to escape around the garden as they're so tiny. I hope you can see them through the caging.